This is Ethan Caston, round 2, doing the same thing. Got a new battery on her. Slowing down for me. Ooh, yeah. Don't get too crazy with her, bucko. Oh, nice. Let the water spill. Oh, yeah. Get her off. Do it again. Cut off the lid. Cut off the lid. Okay, you are bad at this. Let me show you how it's done. Fine. Take the whole video, bucko. Woo! Hey guys, this is Connor. Even I got this saw type thingy here, grinder with it. We will be cutting some bottle of water with it. See what's gonna happen. Social experiment. Don't cut your toes off. Ooh, squirting, boys. Yeah, that's what you call a leak right there. Like we got it good. We're done. Good video.